guys, it's Toya here and welcome back to my channel. This video is actually about how I got these voluminous curls with my flat twist out. So this is my flat twist out tutorial. But before I get into all of that, I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers for subscribing. It really feels good to know that people out there are watching my videos and that you want to subscribe. But basically all I used in my hair to get these curls with my flat twist out was this Jamaican Mango&Lime locking cream wax. It was just this and water, and it works really well. But I had to take the twist out really quickly because we were going to church and my mother was going to leave me in here, so I had to hurry up. But that's the reason why these didn't last. These are like, I took them down yesterday, so this is what they look like a day after, and they're still pretty good. See, let me give you guys a texture shot for you to see what it looks like. Really pretty curls. They're really strong curls. Like, I don't see them like wearing out like for the next couple days. I really hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you're wondering where I got this, I bought this in a wholesale at Papine. And it was like, I'm sure you can probably get this at like any wholesale, just the Jamaican Mango&Lime. I paid like $400 and something for it. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and I featured this also in one of my favorites videos, I think. So if you guys haven't checked out my rest of videos, you can definitely do that, alright? And yeah.
We have a 138 in progress. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1. one.
Yo, Maximus, go girl them surround my bike. Yo, pass me the key for the RR, cause I'm here to go get the boy girl tonight. Yeah, when the girl them see me ride up on the rumble bike, go so the girl them low when me ride on the speed and the bike go so the girl them low when me wheel it and me chop it and me clap it, they go when the bike goes up, when the bike goes up. See it, one gear me lick with the clutch on the rope, the bike rev up, ready to jump from. And the sound of the engine, piston free up, and bike back, bumper cock up. Round go put you through traffic, we flow easy. We not stuck, we no run the marathon, we come last, cause we a come first when the bike rev the place. When the girl them see me ride up on the rumble bike, go so the girl them low when me ride on the speed and the bike go so the girl them low when me wheel it and me chop it and me clap it, they go when the bike goes up, when the bike goes up. So me say, girl in a shorts, girl in a mini, cock up on the bike, make we dinky mini. Hold on tight, come here go wheelie, no let go yet, yeah. Come here go start to deal, you feel it when me really see touch, cause you squeeze me. Lick out one alright, start cruising, go easy on the bike, girl, cause you a please me. You don't know you want me baby. When the girl them see me ride up on the rumble bike, go so the girl them low when me ride on the speed and the bike go so the girl them low when me wheel it and me chop it and me clap it, they go when the bike goes up, when the bike goes up. See it, one gear me lick with